Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a dispenser cover on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the dispenser cover is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit, as well as a 3/16 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool, and now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the screws out of the door here. So now that we have all the screws out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the door a little bit and kind of get it back into place. However, once I get about here, we can take this door off and separate the two halves. You can do that nice and carefully. There are still a couple of wires on the inside that connect them, but there's this wire right here, and we're going to unplug that from our control board here. And all we really need to do is just pinch two sides here and then pull it out. There we go. So right here is our dispenser. We're actually supposed to have a cover that goes over it too. However, in our case we don't. It could have been ripped out or damaged or whatever happened to it. But we need a new one. So grab your new OEM replacement dispenser cover, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to line this up right here like so, and you'll see that there are two screws here and here that we're going to need to undo before we can put that in. So now that we've got those screws undone, we can take our dispenser cover and slide that in. And right there, that hole will go into this hole right here, and on this side it's just going to be that cutout right there, and we'll screw it in and everything should be held into place. So once that's tightened down, that'll hold our dispenser cover in place, and then you'll just want to fold it over right in front of the dispenser's wires right there to keep those covered up. So now we're going to put our front panel back on, and we're just going to lift it up. And in case your door latch assembly fell off like ours did, we're just going to line it up and set it back inside of its groove right here. And now we'll plug in our front console assembly to the control board. Then we'll lift up on our front panel and slide it into place on the front the door here. There we go. And now I'm going to open up the door, and I want to put the screws in the front two corners first, and that'll help hold the whole door together, and then I can get the rest in. Then close your door. and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.